Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be unboxing my February Boxycharm for you guys. Again, like every month they have different variations. The one thing for sure that I really am looking forward to and hopefully I get is the Pretty Vulgar. It's either bronzer or highlighter, I believe, yeah. So hopefully I get one of those two. I haven't opened my box yet, so I'm really hoping I get one of those two. Also, if you guys like this cute Valentine's Day look, I did post a video of it in my channel, so if you guys want to go check it out, feel free. And yeah, let's get the video started. So this is what it looks like, and the theme this month is Afterglow. So I'll put that to the side, and then the first thing we're gonna take out is this because it's cute. So this is the primer. So this is a No Problem Primer by Touch in Sol. It retails for $18. You can find this at the Touch in Sol website, Ulta, Sephora, or Riley Rose. This is a 1.1 fluid ounce. 1 ounce is not a whole lot, but I mean, it's okay. Like, it's not too bad. For $18, it's not that bad. I have seen more expensive primers. A lot of people say this is a really good primer. I haven't tried it yet, but I've heard a lot about it. And then some people have complained about the smell, so I don't like really strong sweet smells, so if this is too strong, I'm probably gonna end up giving it away. If not, then I'll keep it. But let's see. It just kind of smells like flowers, like rose, like light rose. It's not really that strong, so definitely will be using this. It kind of smells more like plastic to me, like chemical, but it's not like too overpowering that I won't be able to handle it. The next thing I'm gonna pull out here is the Sol de Janeiro or Sol de Janeiro, and this is moisturizer. So this is the Coco Cabana Cream by Sol de Janeiro. This retails for $20. You can find this on the Sol de Janeiro website or Sephora. And this is a, say how many ounces? It's a 2.5, so that's a pretty good amount. So they did give us like a hand cream like a couple months back, and I thought it smelled pretty good, and it was pretty good. Let's see what this one smells like. I've heard a lot of good stuff about this brand and their products. It smells like coconut mixed with like caramel. Sorry you guys hear that, that's my dog crying. He got scared because of the plastic. Come here, Rocky. Come here. Look, you want to smell? You want to smell it? Look. This is my boy, Rocky. Oh, I love him. He's such a good boy, right? He just gets scared pretty easily. I'll let you go. You're such a good boy. Okay, go. The next item that I'm gonna take out here is the Luminous Eye Color. And I believe this is eyeshadow. This is a Magnetic Luminous Eye Color by Nude Sticks. Retails for $24. You can find this at the Nude Sticks website or Sephora, and this is in the color Copper Foil. I've never really used these, or like eyeshadow pens or pencils or whatever it is you want to call them. Never really used them for some reason. I just don't really like them too much, I guess. So that's what it looks like. It's pretty shiny. Okay, the next thing here that I'm going to be taking out is the Pretty Vulgar. And it looks like I got a bronzer. And this is in the color Bronze the Bee. Or wait, Bronze Mannequin. And it's 113.
This is Bronze Bee Bronzer by Pretty Vulgar. Retail price is $32. You can find this on the Pretty Vulgar website or Sephora.
I like Pretty Vulgar's packaging. Their packaging is so pretty. And then this is what it looks like. It might not work with my skin tone. I feel like it's maybe a hint too dark. But I mean, just applying little by little and then just buffing it out and making sure it blends out correctly. It should work. But yeah, that's what that looks like. And again, their packaging is always super cute. I really like this. They gave a blush last year. I don't exactly remember what month. Might have been July or June, one of the two. But their packaging is really pretty, and their products are really good too. And then last but not least, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara.
Better Than Sex Mascara retails for $24. You can find this on the Too Faced website, Sephora, or Ulta.
This is kind of heavy. I'm not used to the high-end mascaras, just because I feel like my eyelashes suck anyways. Like, they just do not curl at all. But this feels heavy and it feels nice and fancy. Again, like I've said before, I haven't really used a whole bunch of like high-end mascaras because my eyelashes suck. I like this kind of brush though. These kind of bristles are really nice for my lashes. I like them. So I'm excited to try this out. I've heard so much about this mascara. Good things and bad things. So we'll see if it's actually pretty nice and pretty good. I'm excited to try this. But yeah, I kind of wish I would have gotten the highlighter. But I mean, I do need bronzer too. I just hope that it's my correct color. The primer I'm excited to try. And then this, I'm excited to see how this works. My skin's super dry right now, so I can definitely use some hydration. But yeah, that's the box for this month. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys got in your box if you guys get Boxycharm. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys.